Hi everyone! Today you will learn développé. Développé is a French term that means to develop. This is what it looks like. As we do this step, we are working through the knee joint rather than treating the leg as a whole unit. Let's do it! Place your weight on your left foot with a straight leg. Bring your right knee up and développé forward, then bring your toe down and in. All of your weight should be in the center of your standing foot. Let's try the other side. Bring your left knee up, développé forward, and bring it down. And make sure your toe is pointed the entire time. Good. Try not to drop your weight forward as you bring your foot down. Stay nice and tall and keep your weight over your standing leg. Let's try that with counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome! Let's do that with music. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You just learned a développé. Great work!